Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be giving my thoughts on this Kuretake Gansai watercolor palette. So here you see on the inside cover, this is a space where you can give swatches to show what the colors are, and it comes with a plastic cover that I just showed that I've been using as a watercolor palette. So it comes with 36 colors. They are all kinds of shades here. I'm trying to show them well, and then at the bottom there are these metallic shades. My son's waking up, so I don't know how well this is going to go, but I'm going to be doing the same type of swatching that I did in my Winsor & Newton. I'm going to do wet and wet, then wet and dry, then a gradient over the words there, and then on the right I'm going to show how the metallics look over the black ink. For the ink on this, I used Staedtler pigment liner. The paper, I want to say is Strathmore, something like that. I bought it at Michael's. But anyway, we are getting into the swatches now. So I'm just going to talk a little bit to tell you what I do know about the watercolor palette. I'm just now beginning, so there's a lot of information that I don't know about watercolors and how to use them properly and all kinds of stuff. So I'm just going to tell you what I do know about these specific watercolors. Also, I'm using a Princeton Select brush here. I'll link everything down below. Anyway, so these watercolors are Japanese watercolors, I believe, and they are far more pigmented than what I've experienced, like, I don't know, I guess American style watercolors would be. Like I said, don't know a lot about watercolors, so if I'm saying any of this wrong, just let me know. So they are a lot more pigmented, so with the gradients I feel like I could have kept going across the page for at least another 2 inches, but I just wanted to show, you know, that the colors do go a long way, and I'm not even picking up very much. They're just incredibly pigmented paints, and because of that I really do feel like I'm able to kind of create incredibly saturated things with this. I've been using these since December. I received them as a Christmas gift from my parents and I absolutely love them. They are really perfect, especially in my bullet journal, because I don't need a lot of water to get the color to show up. So in my bullet journal, those pages are not watercolor pages. They can kind of withstand the watercolor, but they're not made for it, so they crinkle and they don't look absolutely wonderful, or the pages don't look absolutely wonderful when I'm done. But because these are so pigmented, I can use very little water to accomplish what I set out to accomplish in my bullet journal. So I really like them for that purpose, and I do love how pigmented they are. I think they're pretty beginner friendly, especially coming with 36 shades. I am just now kind of working on mixing colors together to get the proper shades. So with them coming with so many shades, it kind of just gives me the opportunity to get exactly what I'm looking for. And my son's talking too. But I really do like these. They've worked out really well for me so far, and I think that they are a great set to start with. They're not very expensive. I want to say that these were like $31 on Amazon. And of course, with it being on Amazon, they arrived quickly as well. They didn't arrive damaged or anything, and I just think they work out really well. So anyway, I really like these, and I'm just going to stop talking and you can watch me swatch the rest of the way. so here are all of the swatches on this paper. I told my husband I think this is like the favorite thing I've ever painted, which is a little bit silly, but I just love the way this paper looks with all of the colors on it. I know, it's probably silly, but I love charts and the way they look when they're done, and I like this too. So I hope you can see how well these perform, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. But there they are, the Kuretake Gansai watercolors in all of their glory. I hope this helped if you were considering them, and yeah, that's it. Have a great day.